Very often in the car Daihatsu there are problems with mobilizer. After you unplug the ECU or free key unit, you will see error U0167 and engine will not start. This problem can be solved only by programming EEPROM 93C66 in the free key unit and the EEPROM 93C56 in the EFI. If you send me your files, I can correct the data in them.